Good morning, children. Now we are going to study maths subject. Maths. Now in previous classes we saw additions. Addition and add and tick. Circle the number. All we saw. Now we are going to see tick. Tick the correct answer. First one, 4 plus 5. Let's see. 6, 8, 9. Here you should tick the correct answer. Next one, 6 plus 3. Here you should tick the correct answer. 5, 6, 8. Fourth one, 5 plus 3. 6, 8, 5. Next, fifth one, 2 plus 4. 5, 6, 7. Here children, tick the correct answer. You should add and tick the correct answer. Add and tick the correct answer. 4 plus 5. Should add 4 plus 5 for 4 lines, 5 lines. Count and tick the correct answer. Here see, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So answer is 9. You should tick here 9. Like that 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3, 9. Where is 9? Here it is 9. You should tick the 9. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. You should tick here. 2 plus 4, 6. So this is the homework. You should do. This is the homework. Take a note, children, and write this. And you should tick the correct answer. Next. Maths addition. Addition what sign? Plus sign. Now match. Here see, 2 plus 3, then 5 plus 4, 6 plus, no 6, 4 plus 4, 7 plus 3, 6 plus 2. They are given the number and the answer also. You should tick the correct answer. You should match. So 2, 8 are here. See, 4 plus 3. You should match. Correct answer, you should match here. How you should match here? See, 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. How much 2 plus 3? You should add. For that you should add. How you add? For 2 lines. For 3 lines. Now count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 plus 3 is 5. Where is 5? 5 is here. So you should match here. Got it? You should match here. Next 5 plus 4. You should add 5 plus 4. For 5, 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For 4, 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. So where is 9? 9 is here. So you should match here 9. Understand, children? Next 4 plus 3. You should add 4 plus 3. 4. For 4, 4 lines. For 3, 3 lines. Count and say what number comes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 plus 3 is 7. Where is 7? 7 is here. So you should match 7. Next what? 7 plus 3. 7 for 7, 7 lines. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For 3, 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. So count and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 7 plus 3 is what? 10. Where is 10? 10 is here. So you should match here 10. Next 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2. For 6 plus 2 what should you do? For 6, 6 lines. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. Count and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 6 plus 2 is 8. Where is 8? 8 is here. So you should match here. Understand, children? Match. They are given the numbers and answers. That answer is in wrong position. So you should match it correctly. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So 5 is here. So you should match here. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 is here. Then 4 plus 3, 7. 7 is here. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 is here. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 is here. You should match it properly. Okay. Next. Next I give you homework. You should do yourself. Okay. Take your note and write, children. This is homework. Match. First one. 2 plus 2. Second one. 7 plus 1. Third one. 6 plus 3. 5 plus 5 plus 1. 5 plus 2. And fifth one. 3 plus 2. 7, 5, 4, 8, 9. So this is homework. You should match. 2 plus 2. For 2, 2 lines. For 2, 2 lines. 2 after 2 what comes? 3, 4. So answer is 4. Where is 4? 4 is here. So you should match here. Next 7 plus 8, 1. For 7, 7 lines. For 1, 1 lines. After 7, 1. 8. So where is 8? 8 is here. So you should match here. 6 plus 3. 6 lines. After 6, 3 lines. After 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9. Where is 9? 9 is here. Here you should match. Next 5 plus 2. 5. After 5, leave 2 fingers. After 5, 6, 7. So 7 is here. You should match here. 3 plus 2. After 3, 4, 5. 5 is here. Should match here. 5. Understand, children? This is the homework. You should match. Next. Next, problems. In previous class itself, I taught that one problems. Now you should say the answer for me. Okay. First one. Ram has 3 balls. Sam gave him 4 balls. Sam gives him 4 balls. Sam gives him 4 balls. How many balls does he have total? How many balls does he have? Totally how many balls he have? This is the question. How you should write the answer? Already I told you, no children. Say how you should write. See here. Ram has 3 balls. Already Ram has 3 balls. His friend, who is friend? Sam. Sam gives him 4 more balls. Then how many balls does Ram have total? இப்போ வந்து ராம் கிட்ட வந்து முன்னாடி எத்தனை பால்ஸ் இருக்குது? 3 பால்ஸ் இருக்குது. Ram's friend, what is his name? Sam. He gives him 4 balls. 4 more balls he gives him. Then finally Ram has how many balls? For that you should write the answer. So Ram has how many balls he had? 3 balls he had. Sam gave how many balls? 4 balls. Total. This is addition, add sign. For 3 plus 4. 3 lines. For 4 lines. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So totally Ram is having 7 balls. How many balls Ram is having now? 7 balls he is having. Ram has already, he is having 3 balls. His friend gives him 4 more balls. So finally how many balls does Ram have? He is having 7 balls. Finally Ram is having 7 balls. Have you understand, children? And next. This problem sums we saw in the previous class itself. Now to revise for you. Have you remembered that, children? And second one. There are 6 birds in one tree. And 2 birds in another tree. In another tree. How many birds are there altogether? In one tree there are 6 birds. In another tree there are 2 birds. Then altogether how many birds? This is the question. So you should write the answer. How you write? Listen. In one tree. How many birds? 6 birds. So 6. In one tree, 6 birds. In another tree. Another tree, how many birds? How many birds in another tree? 2 birds. So 2 birds. So total. Finally, how many birds are there? You should count and say 6. For 6 lines. 3, 4, 5, 6. For 2 lines. Count and say, children. Count and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So Totally how many birds are there? Totally 8 birds are there. How many birds are there? 8 birds. Totally how many birds are there? 8 birds. 6 birds in one tree. In another tree there are 2 birds. So totally how many birds means you should add 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 what? 8. So totally how many birds are there? 8 birds are there. Okay, have you understand children? We have already seen this and all in the previous class itself. Now to revise you. Have you remembered that one? Have you remembered children that thing? I said no problems, adding, all that I told you in the previous class itself. Have you remembered or not? For that only I am revising you. Okay. Okay, understand children? Now you understand. Now I give you homework in that. Then only you can do. Then only you can learn. Otherwise you can't children. Otherwise you are playing. Next. This is homework. You should do yourself. Okay. I gave you 3 homework. Yes, see. Sita has 2 chocolates. 2 chocolates. Sita has 2 chocolates and her mother gave 3 more chocolates. 3 more chocolates. 3 more chocolates. How many chocolates? How many chocolates does Sita have total? Yes, this is the question. Sita has 2 chocolates and her mother gave 3 more chocolates. How many chocolates does Sita have totally? First, already Sita is having 2 chocolates and his mother. How many chocolates she is giving? She is giving 3 chocolates. Finally, how many chocolates does Sita have? For that what you should do? First you should write answer. We should write the answer. Okay. Next, here write Sita is having 2 chocolates. Next, his mother, how many chocolates she is giving? 3 chocolates. And you should add 2 plus 3. 2. For 2, 2 lines. For 3, 3 lines. Then answer is 1 for 2. After 2, leave 3 fingers. After 2, 3, 4, 5. So answer is 5. So finally Sita is having, how many chocolates she is having? She is having 5 chocolates. So you should write the answer. Sita is having, how many chocolates she is having? 5 chocolates. Like that you should write. Okay children, this is the homework. You should do yourself. Write the answer. Sita is having 2 chocolates. Mother gave him 3 chocolates. You add 2 plus 3. The answer is 5 and total 5 chocolates. So you write Sita having 5 chocolates. Finally Sita is having 5 chocolates. So this is the homework. Do it yourself. Only one homework I gave you children. Okay, thank you. We will see in the next class.